Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Home Tuber. Today's recipe will help our body to fight against the bacteria and viruses around us, and it will also help in building our immunity. So today we are going to make immunity boosting powder. So here's the recipe. For this we need organic turmeric, 3.5 tablespoon. I have written the whole recipe in the description also. Then we need dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna take cumin or jeera, that is 2 tablespoon I've taken. This is whole jeera, normal one. And we need coriander seeds, the whole coriander seeds, that is also 2 tablespoon. And we also need fennel seeds, that is saunf, and we need 3 tablespoon of that. And we need cardamom powder. So if you have a cardamom powder, that's okay. If you have whole pods, that's okay, 1.5 tablespoon. And we need Srilankan cinnamon, and we need only 1/4 teaspoon of that. And this I got it from India. This is an organic Sri Lankan cinnamon, so you can easily find it in the markets. And then we need black pepper, and I've taken 1 tablespoon of that, the whole black pepper. So these are the ingredients. Now we have to roast all the spices except turmeric and ginger powder because they are already grinded. So we have to roast everything till we get the nice aroma. And we have to be careful not to burn any of the spices, so we have to roast it on a medium flame only. And here goes the cardamom also. So after the roasting done, let it cool completely, and after it gets cool we have to grind the spices in a dry blender, and we have to mix well this mixture, and we have to store it in the glass jar. So here it is, the recipe for immunity boosting powder. Make it at home. The ingredients are super simple, they are readily available in the kitchen, so just try this recipe and help your immunity to build against all the kind of viruses going on nowadays. So this is a much needed recipe for you all. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.